We've interviewed quite a few CEOs and we've asked the question and we get a very generic answer. How do you directors remunerate yourselves?
That's a good question.
It's just a mix of the normal.
Very similar to what any other sort of junior company. It's a small stipend.
On lower than some. But
Right.
So you have your base remuneration, which is fourth quartile. Then you have your own investments, and then you have some long-term incentives that generally are linked more to performance.
Directors are just on moderate and normal directors' salaries.
So the board set the targets by which they're remunerated.
there's a salary component which is market related. Nobody is going to starve in the meantime.
You know, the board doesn't get paid. We get options.
Most of us have also gone on to part-time. So we recognize that we need to watch our dollars.
I've seen some fantastic salaries, and the word stipend wouldn't be applied. So,
well, not on the board, and you can look up our filings.
Oh yeah, it's all public information for sure. And I always
no
encourage
one's
people
doing this to get rich.
That's exactly why they're doing it, isn't it?
They're making way too much money compared to their peers. That would raise a red flag.
And the information is publicly available, so I always encourage investors to go in and look at the paperwork, see if they're comfortable with it, and see if they think that's a fair distribution of their money